I've lost 10 kilos since I first started in May, and my body fat percentage has gone down quite a bit as well. And I've seen a lot of improvements with my strength as well as my endurance, I guess. My name is Labiba and I came to MPH to challenge myself. I've been training for the last 4 years and I kind of wanted to see a change in my body, increase my lean mass, muscle and lower my body fat percentage. MPH has become family to me, I'm not gonna lie. All the trainers are amazing. They help you achieve the goals that you set for yourself, as well as, you know, they're very nice and welcoming to you, so you don't have to feel scared. It's intimidating when you first start, but you know, they welcome you and yeah. Tell me what's next.